Wow! Seriously, universe? That was uncalled for. That's not just a storm. That's a full dramatic episode of nature. No, come on! It was sunny and peaceful like 1 minute ago. Hold on tight. This wind is acting way too extra. Oof. Okay, gravity really won today. This is escalating in real time. My dream house, reduced to emotional rubble. Just look at this epic disaster unfolding before us. Hold up. Am I officially broke and homeless now? It's all right. We can rebuild. Okay. Reset brain, new beginning loading. Found this behind a dumpster. Vintage trash chic vibes. No way. Mine arrived from the internet, which makes it feel slightly more legit. Honestly, it even looks way more aesthetically pleasing. Relax. We're gonna restore everything, and maybe upgrade it too. Look at all these colors. This chaos is kind of satisfying. Not gonna lie, this color combo is pretty awesome. Here you go, Barbie. New furniture, courtesy of our struggle era. What? No seating anywhere? Don't stress. DIY wizardry is happening right now. Watch closely. We fold it like a magical origami moment. Add a little glue, the miracle worker of all crafts. Almost there. Just one final dramatic piece. And done. A couch. Slightly questionable, but fully functional. Go ahead, Barbie. Test the comfort levels. You comfy? Emotionally and physically? Thanks, Mom. You're saving my tiny plastic life. I want a fancy one too. Of course you do, darling. Naturally. Let's summon another idea from the universe. Wait. Got it! Brain just delivered premium content. And no cardboard this time. Evolution, baby. Sweetheart? Yes! This material is absolutely perfect. Just a touch of glue, engineering magic unlocked. Now this thing won't budge even during emotional storms. And voila! Hello, stylish, borderline luxurious upgrade. Wow. Okay, that actually looks professional. Tell me this isn't fabulous. I dare you. Barbie, thoughts? Feelings? Reviews? Oh, hello, rich girl aesthetic. Right? She's basically living in a tiny penthouse now. Hello? Anyone listening? Howdy, delivering beauty to the beautiful. Whoa. Okay, what's hiding in this mysterious corner? Intriguing. Yeah, I can definitely transform this into something iconic. Looks amazing! What is even happening right now? Oh! Ladies, relax. I'm merely doing my artistic routine. Umbrella, anyone? Weather seems committed to drama today. What alternate universe did this man crawl out of? Oof. This whole area is pure chaotic disaster energy. Hey, don't judge me. I'm not finished yet. In fact, I'm only warming up. Prepare yourselves. You'd be shocked how wildly useful flowers can be. And done! Masterpiece number 1. Isn't this ridiculously adorable? Flowers on flowers on flowers. Maximum bloom energy. My pleasure. Floral magic delivered. In full Flower Queen era energy. Mom, look what just happened. He left these flower leftovers behind. Well, could have been worse, honestly. Hold up. Inspiration incoming. Please hold this. Creative brain loading. Ooh, try this technique. Let's craft our own flowers. DIY superiority mode. Just requires patience and delicate emotional stability.
Wow!
First flower, secured. Now onto flower number 2, momentum. Careful cuts. Yes, perfection achieved. Thinking way outside the cardboard box today. And in you go. Decor level increased. Very stylish. Approved. It's honestly super pretty. Here, Barbie, embrace the floral lifestyle. Wow, this actually looks really good. We did it. Can someone help me here? Finally. Thank you for arriving. Cheers, honey. Excellent teamwork. Whoa, unexpected plot twist. Okay, that's enough chaos for today. Wait, this little thing is for you. Hold on, I've got an even better idea. Ugh, why is every object in this house so heavy? All right, survived the struggle. What is that mysterious thing? Oh, okay, now I see. Tools. Obviously. Essentials only. I keep them nearby for spontaneous creativity. If Barbie wants cold drinks, she needs an official table setup. Now we're making real progress. What's classier than crystal clear glass? And to chill drinks, a fancy oversized bowl, of course. Just wait for the magic moment. Boom! Suddenly, it's perfectly round. And yes, colorful ice included. Bonus points. Here, Barbie, hydration in style. Enjoy your tiny luxury life. Oh, trust me, I absolutely will. Yep, called it. Honey, look at this gorgeous upgrade. You'll understand in just a moment. It may look like an old box, but it's about to transform into a brand new table masterpiece. Wow, no way that actually worked. Thanks, Mom. DIY legend confirmed. Having fun or barely surviving? Ah! Ah! Okay, that jump scared both of us at the same exact moment. It's all right now. Crisis officially over. Wow, that whole moment was seriously terrifying. Yes, hello? What's needed? Right away, on it. Can she even see anything right now? I'm stepping in, taking full control. This house desperately needs proper lighting. Look, simple fix, big improvement. Don't stress, Barbie. Your world's about to get brighter. A little bit of glue truly goes a long way. There, a solid post installed. Still dark in here though, rude. Just one more step. And boom, we officially have a lamp. Perfect, right? Functional and cute. Oh, it's back. Actual electricity. Fantastic. Welcome back, Power. Finally, we can do things again. Can we use this device or what? Yes, obviously we can. You see all these leftover scraps? We're recycling them. Eco Queens activated. But how exactly? Don't worry, I've got a solid idea. Just stick with me and trust the plan. You'll understand everything in just a moment. Light included. Literally and metaphorically. A few more twists, and the post is officially finished. Looks amazing, right? Your move, Barbie. Show it off. Very impressive. Barbie, are you okay? Oh wow, she's absolutely covered in dirt. Like, an unreasonable amount of dirt. She looks completely ruined. You sure about that? Because I see potential. Another day, another dramatic cleanup mission. Phew, intense effort. Ew, this is actually disgusting. Okay, brainstorming solution mode activated. Yes, of course, makes sense. I know exactly what to do. Just keep watching. Trust the method. The process looks chaotic, but it works. The final result is going to blow your mind. Careful, this tool is sharp enough to star in a horror movie. But wow, it slices beautifully. Everything lines up perfectly. Satisfying. We're almost done. Stay with me. Once the glue dries, we can add all the fun details. Mosaic tub, anyone? Pure luxury vibes. Looking fantastic, Mom. Yep, mission progressing. Anyone ready for a bath? Get in, Barbie. It's spa time. Prepare for maximum bubbles. Aw, adorable reaction. Are you seeing this right now? Mom? Hello? We need help here. Back from the beach. What did I miss? Oh, sorry. What happened this time? Look, my Barbie doesn't even have a tub. Don't stress. We can fix that easily. Oh yeah, pretty cute, right? No? Okay, hold Barbie while I upgrade everything. I'll create something so much better. Your Barbie will be living her best life shortly. It's improving already. Trust the process. Tile floors. Fancy mode activated. How's this for a pool idea? Why settle for a tiny tub when you can have this? Here you go, Barbie. Enjoy the glow up. I've got the water. Spa vibes incoming. Doesn't this look insanely relaxing? Hey, you there! Me? Let's invite everyone. It's way more fun together. Absolutely. Group fun unlocked. Yeah, let's play. Want to trade spots? Sit right here. It's perfect. Welcome to the party. Check out this upgraded pad. She's absolutely loving it. There's no place like home, apparently. Yep, that's what everyone says. And the small details make it totally you. Truth. Mission officially accomplished. Except this hat situation. There. So much better now. And now, a well-deserved treat for us moms. Have fun, girls. Go wild. Oh, we definitely will. Barbie besties forever. And now we're literally neighbors. Bonus joy. Honestly, I love living here. Same. Home sweet home, upgraded edition. Woohoo! Absolute win.